Assalamu alaikum viewers. We are in the 12th lectures of accounting cycle. This is the English versions and we are converting the entries in the previous phase. We have started to make a structure with the 10th entries and then we add 4 entries of income statement. Certainly we have all entries are journalized. I am Dr. Safdar Husain Tahir, Associate Professor, Lalpur Business School, Government College, University, Faisalabad. I did postdoc from UWA Business School, the University of Western Australia. We are in the 12th lectures of accounting cycle. Certainly, we have generalizing the transactions in the first phase, and then we posting we created the ledgers account and then posted. And in this lecture, we will understand how to make a trial balance. We have already practices from the previous lectures, but we have added now the 5 more entries of income statement for the second phase. That is why we are going to make an other trial balance. These are the entries we have already have. We have a different ledgers account. After making the transaction posting into their cash account, certainly the cash balance is 6 lakh and 80,000. Similarly, owners capital balance is 2 million, that is the 20 lakh, and the office equipment is 1 lakh and 50,000. The delivery van ledger show that 7 lakh rupees. Certainly, the account payables balance is 11 lakh and 50,000. Furniture's account show that is a 1 lakh furniture in the company. Note payable is a 5 lakh and building of 12 lakh, and software and computers are of 90,000 rupees. A security system of 50,000 rupees. A shop shelves and display unit of 1 lakh and 20,000. Inventory at that time, after incorporating the income statement, we have sold some inventories of 2 lakh and we purchased the inventory of 2 lakh 50,000. Current balance of the inventory is 6 lakh and 50,000. Similarly, cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold have a 2 lakh balance, and sales revenue have a 12 have a 4 lakh account, 4 lakh rupees. This is the credit balance. Similarly, prepaid rent of 40,000, advertising expense of 20,000, and salaries expense of 50,000. Owners drawing, that is 30,000, and the total is there. So we make all accounts here, starting from the cash. These accounts exist already. These accounts already exist, and we have already prepared the balance sheet of these accounts. But certainly we go back and we have the different ledgers. These are the previous ledgers. Again, in the second phase, we add some more account. That's the cost of goods sold, sales revenue, prepaid rent, advertising expense, salaries expense, and owner drawing. Simply, you copy from their ledgers and paste here in front of these account. If it is a debit here, and if it is a credit, then here, and then make them the total. This is what I want to say, that this is the trial balance. You just copy from their ledger account 6 lakh and 50,000 and paste here. Again, the owner capital, this is the credit balance, this is the 20 lakh rupees, and you copy and paste there. You copy and paste all the accounts which have a debit balance, and all the ledgers account which have a credit balance is there. And then add up. This is, you can say, 40 lakh 50,000 is the total. The total debit is equal to total credit. This is very important, and this is the check to understand that our posting is okay. The total of these two, debit and credit, indicate that we have done efficiently, and we have done very good. Thank you so much.